did I mention the snowstorm is coming tomorrow? We have to put tracks on this thing, put sleds on the front, and turn it into a snowmobile before the snowstorm gets here tomorrow. Dude, this hands down proves how tough Corvettes are. This thing has been through the absolute ringer, and it still just runs perfectly. Snowmobile out of storage, and especially a Corvette snowmobile, you got to make sure it still does burnouts. Still does good burnouts, by the way. This Corvette has been through so much but somehow still runs so good, which I don't get. He's currently over there cutting out what we need to actually make the skis that go on the front. I think what we're gonna do, we'll go outside and we'll get the tracks that go on the back, and we'll try to get them bolted on.